One cloudy morning, a tiny yellow duckling was walking slowly through a quiet park. The sky above was covered with soft gray clouds, and a cool wind gently moved the grass around. The little duckling looked around curiously. Everything felt calm and peaceful. Suddenly, a small raindrop fell from the sky. Plop! The duckling looked up with surprise. Soon another raindrop fell, and then many more started falling all around the park. The ground slowly became wet, and shiny puddles began forming on the grass. The curious duckling walked closer to one of the puddles and carefully looked at the sparkling water. Then the duckling jumped right into the puddle. Splash! Water droplets flew everywhere as the duckling happily jumped again and again. Jump, splash, jump, splash. The rain kept falling while the duckling ran playfully through the puddles, making funny splash sounds with every step. After playing for a while, the little duckling found a big green leaf and stood under it. The leaf worked like a tiny umbrella while raindrops gently tapped above. Soon the rain slowly began to stop, and the clouds started moving away from the sky. The duckling looked around proudly. It was wet, a little muddy, but very happy. Today the tiny duckling discovered something wonderful. Even a simple rainy day can become a fun and exciting adventure.